Hello, dear all participant and resource person. I welcome you all to this short video on how to fill the quick feedback form for our program, which is related to UGC NET May 2021 examination. Once you receive this particular message on your WhatsApp group or on your personal WhatsApp number, all you have to do is click on this link so that you directly go to the form. It's a Google form. Here, this form is all about your feedback from the participant as well as from the resource person. They can also give the feedback, because feedback is, we have divided it into two parts. First is feedback related to the resource person, and second is the feedback related to the organizing committee members. Before you go and start filling this feedback form, let me tell you, on your mobile phone this particular feedback form won't display properly. So all you have to do is click on this tab, click on these three particular dots which are there on the extreme right corner of your handset, and just go to the desktop side. Just click here so that you will get a view of desktop or laptop the way you see it on your laptop and desktop. Because if you do not do it, then probably the screen which you are going to see will be something like this, where you won't be able to feel the feedback properly because you have to scroll horizontally, and then it's become a bit difficult to give proper feedback. So what I recommend is you just go on here on the desktop side, and so that you have a proper view of the feedback form. If you are doing it from laptop or desktop, nothing like that. That will be very simple, and all you have to do is just fill all this compulsory field like email address, your name, your mobile number, and here you can just keep on clicking whatever option you feel is good for you, right? It can be anything depending on your experience and your satisfaction level, how great those sessions were, how do you feel. And let me tell you, you need not compare with one resource person with other. You have to give individual feedback about each resource person. So what was your personal experience? We have to talk about it. The second part, as I said, is related to the organizing committee member and the organizer. You can give the feedback about them over here by clicking whatever option satisfies you or you feel is best for you. And lastly, the form says, are you going to recommend such type of program to your close associates? Now, close associate means your friends, your colleagues, your students, right? Those who are associated with you very closely. Are you going to recommend it? So here also, whatever options you feel, you can just click on. And let me tell you, whatever information you are going to fill over here will be kept strictly confidential. Don't worry about it. And in fact, this is going to help us in improving our program and for betterment of our further programs which we are going to arrange in coming period, in coming months or coming years as well. So here finally, this is not a mandatory field. You can put your feedback in words. In fact, this was more of a review what we have talked about right now, because here you will be rating us, and here you will be giving your feedback in words about the resource person and about the organizing committee members. So do remember to fill this feedback form, because this will come handy. As I said, this will help us for further improvisation, for further changes if required in our program. And I wish all of you stay tuned for all the sessions, because the formula which I have given is to solve MCQs once, twice, thrice, unless and until you get at least 90% of mark in that particular MCQ. So solving MCQ is going to be the secret behind clearing this NET examination. This is, as I said, is a shortcut to the success. So plenty of MCQs we have already uploaded on our WhatsApp group. So it is my humble advice, request, instruction to all the participants to solve as many MCQs as possible. A single MCQs can be solved twice, thrice, 5 times or 10 times also, if you have that much of time, because that will help you in further solving the final test actually, right? And second thing is, whatever videos we are uploading on the YouTube, you make it a point that you watch it again, so that you don't have to go through the study material. And let me tell you, you don't have to spend a single penny on purchasing any of the book, because most of the books are outdated. They don't have recent examples. Like quoting one example is of National Education Policy 2020-21. Probably this policy won't appear in most of the MCQs given by the books published by most of the publishers, but here we are very updated, we are very recent, so no need to refer to any book or even to any video channel, because most of them are outdated. I'm not saying you do not refer, you are free to do that, but focus on our program, focus on our schedule, so that you don't have to make a separate timetable for yourself. You just have to stick to the sessions, stick to those videos, watch them once, twice, and solve those MCQs properly, and note down whatever important points you feel is going to come handy in the 11th hour when the exam is going to be there, because you won't be able to go through all the MCQs at a one go, or all the points at a one go. So make it a habit of putting all those minute details in a diary or a register, so that it comes handy at the time of examination to all of you. And let me tell you one more thing, important thing: you need not download any of the study material which we have posted, neither the MCQs, because we'll be giving you a folder containing whatever, including the videos, YouTube videos link in the form of a QR code, which you can just scan out by downloading the QR barcode app, and you can directly go to those links on the websites, the video links and the MCQs links. So all the very best, and just be smart in your preparation. You don't have to take a look around all the information, because that will again confuse your mind. You have to reorient your brain, so that we are able to solve all these MCQs in the quickest possible manner and quickest possible way. This is what this program is all about. We are going to give you a lot of tips and tricks to how to solve these MCQs. Unfortunately, it is not negative marking, so you can always take a chance, you can always take a risk of giving it a 50 elimination sort of thing you can apply, or odd man out you can apply. Those tricks we are already telling you in all the sessions. Frequently we are telling about it, but one thing which I again want to stress is, you have to solve plenty of MCQs. That is going to be a secret behind our success. So all the best to all of you. Thank you so much, and do please fill this feedback form as soon as possible after the sessions are over, because this feedback form, after the 7th session is over, I'll be circulating with all of you. Probably not right now, because only 3 or 4 session will be taking place today. That was the 4th session. So probably after 7th session, I'll be circulating this feedback form every time. So thank you once again for watching this video, and do subscribe and like this type of videos, so that we can keep on promoting such type of events in future also.